There's a quiet hope in sowing seeds, tiny specks of life, full of potential, tucked into soil with a splash of water. Each morning, you check for that first hint of green, wondering, will they sprout? Will they thrive? Every gardener, from beginner to expert, shares this universal desire to give seeds the best start. Sometimes, germination is slow or patchy, and doubts creep in. But often, seeds just need gentle encouragement, a nudge from nature, not chemicals. Some of the best solutions are simple, safe, and found in your kitchen food-grade ingredients that nourish both seed and soil. These methods work with nature, not against it, providing a boost of nourishment and beneficial microbes. Think of it as a warm breakfast for sleepy seeds, creating ideal conditions for life to unfold. Homemade preparations can make a real difference, especially for stubborn or old seeds. In this video, we'll explore 3 organic techniques: fermented rice water, a simple yeast solution, and a homemade eco-enzyme. Let's settle in and discover how to give seeds a gentle, nurturing start with what you already have at hand. A seed is a self-contained survival kit. An embryo, food reserves, and a tough coat, all waiting for the right signals. Moisture, warmth, and oxygen are the keys to unlock germination. Water softens the seed coat and activates enzymes, fueling the embryo's growth. But tough coats or old seeds sometimes need more than plain water. Organic soaks introduce beneficial microbes and nutrients, giving seeds an energy boost. Fermented rice water and yeast solutions have been shown to improve germination and seedling vigor. Unlike synthetic chemicals, these kitchen-based preparations nurture seeds naturally. You're not just adding nutrients. You're introducing a living community to support the seed. This holistic approach helps seedlings emerge strong and ready to thrive. One of the best seed soaks is made from something we often waste: rice rinse water. This cloudy liquid, rich in starch and minerals, becomes a powerful tonic when fermented for a few days. The process is simple. Save milky rice rinse water, pour it into a jar, cover loosely, and let it ferment in a warm, dark place for 3 to 5 days. You'll know it's ready when it smells mildly sour, like yogurt. Fermentation by lactic acid bacteria breaks down starches and proteins, creating simple sugars and acids that seeds absorb easily. The mild acidity softens seed coats, making it easier for seedlings to emerge. To use, dilute 1 part fermented rice water with 10 parts clean water. Soak small seeds for 4 to 6 hours, larger seeds overnight. After soaking, plant as usual. This ancient method gives seeds a nutritious head start. It's a beautiful way to harness nature's own processes. Yeast, the same organism that makes bread rise, can also jumpstart seed germination. A simple yeast slurry is packed with B vitamins, amino acids, and enzymes that stimulate growth. To make it, dissolve a teaspoon of sugar in a cup of warm water, then stir in a teaspoon of active dry yeast. Let it sit for 20-30 minutes until bubbly and frothy. This living mixture releases growth hormones and nutrients that help seeds wake up and grow strong. Dilute the concentrate 1 cup of yeast slurry to 10 cups of water. Soak small seeds for a few hours, larger seeds overnight. This gentle bath encourages uniform, vigorous germination. It's a simple baker's trick that can transform your seed starting. Try it and see the difference in your seedlings. Sometimes, the best garden tools are already in your kitchen. For the adventurous, making an eco-enzyme from fruit scraps and sugar is a rewarding way to boost seeds and soil. This method, inspired by Korean natural farming, ferments fruit scraps with sugar and water to create a nutrient-rich, enzyme-packed liquid. Use a ratio of 1 part sugar, 3 parts fruit scraps, and 10 parts water. Chop fruit scraps, mix with sugar and water in a plastic container, and cover loosely. Stir daily for the first month, then weekly. Ferment for 3 months. The result is a dark, sweet, and sour liquid teeming with beneficial microbes. Strain and dilute. Just 1 teaspoon of eco-enzyme per liter of water for seed soaking. Soak small seeds for a few hours, large seeds up to 12. This enzyme-rich bath softens seed coats and energizes germination. It's a patient process, but turns kitchen waste into a powerful garden resource. With time, you'll see stronger, healthier seedlings. Nature's alchemy, right at home. When helping seeds, gentleness is key. These organic methods are safe because they use food-grade ingredients: rice, yeast, fruit, nothing harsh or synthetic. But even natural solutions must be diluted. Concentrates can overwhelm seeds. Stick to the recommended ratios, usually 1 part concentrate to 10 parts water. Always test your solution on a small batch of seeds first, comparing with untreated seeds. This simple test helps you see what works best for your seeds and conditions. Trust your senses. A healthy ferment smells pleasantly sour or yeasty. If it smells foul or grows black or green mold, discard and start fresh with clean equipment. Your nose is a reliable guide. By using food-grade ingredients, diluting properly, testing first, and trusting your senses, you ensure your efforts are safe and effective. These steps protect your seeds and help you learn what works best. Gentle, attentive care leads to the healthiest seedlings. Let nature and your instincts guide you. The real joy of gardening is in observation. Try these seed-soaking methods with a spirit of curiosity. Set up a simple experiment to see the results for yourself. Choose a method, like fermented rice water, and a fast germinating seed such as radish or lettuce. Prepare 2 containers, one with plain water, control, one with your diluted solution, treated. Place equal numbers of seeds on damp paper towels in each, label clearly, and keep in identical conditions. Check daily and record when sprouts appear and how many seeds germinate in each group. Compare root length, leaf size, and overall vigor. This side-by-side test gives you real evidence of what works in your garden. Simple, methodical observation is both satisfying and instructive. You'll learn more from your own results than from any advice. Let your seeds show you the way. Helping seeds germinate doesn't require chemicals, just patience and a few kitchen staples. Fermented rice water, yeast slurry, and eco-enzyme are safe, organic ways to give seeds a boost. They soften seed coats and provide accessible nutrition, setting seedlings up for success. To recap, ferment rice water for 3 to 5 days and dilute. Activate yeast with sugar and dilute. Ferment fruit scraps for 3 months and use just a teaspoon per liter. These are gentle aids, not magic fixes. They can't revive dead seeds or fix poor soil, but they help good seeds thrive. If a batch smells bad or grows mold, start fresh with clean tools. Gardening is a personal journey. Experiment, observe, and discover what works for you. Maybe your old tomato seeds love yeast, while parsley prefers rice water. The joy is in the process and discovery. So save that rice water and begin your own quiet conversation with your seeds. Happy gardening.